Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Doesn't look like much. Just a little box of drill bits. They go from 16th inch up to 3/8. I don't have the 16th inch, but everything else came in the box. Big whole set. Not bad for $2. This little guy, they run you about anywhere from $12 to $14 at the hardware store. The guy must have got his label stuck on $2. Now this one's twice as big, so yeah, it's twice as much. It's $4. I don't remember how much I paid for this guy, but he's been around a while. I just really like these little wooden handled pipe wrenches. As a practical use, not so good. But as a thing to look at, pretty darn cool. Call these globe roaster wrenches because you'd find them in the grocery store. They'd have a table sitting out near the entrance, and as you walk by you'd see all these little funky wrenches. Well, this design actually works. It's kind of a ratchet. Fits a bunch of wrenches, and since they're a creative bunch, recently they decided they were going to have one side marked in imperial and the other side in metric. Kind of like labeling a crescent wrench. Now this is a scary thing for some people. They look at it and think, oh my god, it's going to fly apart and kill somebody. Now, actually this is very similar to the carbide inserts that you find in milling cutters and lathe tools all over the place. It's a pretty solid design, and I've used them many times. But picking this up for a couple of bucks because everybody's afraid of it, that just sweetens the deal. You can see that it comes with 18 different cutting heads. You can do that because it only has one cutter. That means the feed is pretty slow, and there's a tendency for it to burn if you don't watch what you're doing. But if you take multiple cuts and use it like it's supposed to be, it works pretty good. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union. without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.